Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of that pile of glass jars, old t-shirts, and cardboard boxes taking up space in your home? Before you toss them out, what if I told you that you could transform that trash into treasure? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of upcycling and turning everyday items into stunning, one-of-a-kind home decor pieces. It's not only fantastic for your wallet, but also amazing for the planet. So grab your creative spirit and let's get started. First up, let's tackle those glass jars from pasta sauce, pickles, or coffee. With just a little bit of spray paint, I'm loving matte black and metallic gold right now. You can instantly give them a chic, modern makeover. Just make sure you clean them thoroughly first. Once they're dry, you can use them as stylish vases for single stems, holders for your makeup brushes, or organizers for pens and pencils on your desk. For an extra touch, wrap some twine or ribbon around the rim. It's a simple change that makes a huge impact. Next, let's talk about old books. We all have some with broken spines or torn pages that are just collecting dust. Instead of letting them sit forgotten, you can create beautiful, decorative pieces. One of my favorite tricks is to create an invisible bookshelf. You just need a simple L bracket from the hardware store. Mount it to the wall, place a sturdy hardcover book on top as the base, and then stack a few more books on it. It creates this magical illusion that your books are floating. You can also carefully fold the pages of a book to create intricate sculptures. There are tons of tutorials online for different patterns, and they make for incredible conversation starters. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a simple tin can. After you've enjoyed your beans or soup, wash the can thoroughly and remove the label. You can paint them, cover them in decorative paper, or even punch holes in a pattern with a nail and hammer. Then, just pop a small candle or an LED tea light inside, and you have a gorgeous, custom lantern that casts beautiful shadows. They read perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere on your patio or a warm glow in your living room. See? Creating a beautiful home doesn't have to be expensive. With a little imagination, you can give everyday items a second life and fill your space with personality and style. What will you upcycle first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative home projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.